A couple of operators can be used on numeric operands, can be applied to strings as well. In this case, the operator that looks like a plus sign is considered the concatenation operator, and the multiplication sign operator, which in strings creates multiple copies of a string. So to start, the plus operator concatenates strings. It returns a string consisting of the operands joined together. First, I'll define some strings. A equal to apple. The next string objective that we'll create is B equal to banana. And finally, C equal to cherry. So what happens if I use the plus sign, the concatenation operator, A plus B, and enter? Let's combine all three things. It will concatenate all three. We can also concatenate strings into print functions like this. So that's the concatenation operator. Let's look at the multiplication operator, which is an asterisk, which creates multiple copies of a string to return a string consisting of a concatenated copies of a string. Let me show you what it looks like. I'll create an object, d, which is an integer that is equal to 5. What happens if you multiply a multiply d? So the operator replicates the string object 5 times and concatenates them together. So the multiplier needs to be an integer. You can't multiply by a float number, for example. What if it is a negative number? That will return an empty string.